Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if your little one has the sniffles or little boogies that are hard to reach, you're gonna wanna check out this electric nasal aspirator from FridaBaby. The aspirator comes in a nice little compact box. It comes with a charger, a little brush to be able to clean the attachments, which are easy to clean because they are made out of silicone. They're nice and soft so it doesn't hurt your baby's nose. And to turn it on, you just press that on button, and you have also a light feature. They thought of everything. It's just a distraction light for when the kids are squirmy. This gives them something to focus on. It distracts them while you suck their boogies away. And you can also change the suction. It has 3 levels, low, medium, and high. And so when I use it, I usually use it on the high, and you can tell it doesn't hurt my baby at all. He's happy as can be, and it sucks the boogies out of his nose for me. So if you're in the market for a nasal aspirator, check out this electric one from FridaBaby. You're gonna love it. It's a lifesaver, and that's my point of view.